Okay, so I've got this thing I was calling book flow, which is a flow in ax-llm that analyzes an image. Here's one of the images. It's this book. It gets the title and author from that book and passes it to this ISBN finder agent or node, which uses functions or tools that I've defined. I've got this get ISBN function, and then I define it here as a tool available to the AI. And it works fine. It ends up fetching the ISBN. Everything's cool. But it takes anywhere, I'd say, from 12 to 18 seconds. And I'm realizing that I certainly need the image analyzer, but the AI that's using the tool is a little slower than what I want. So what I'm going to do is I just want to inject my own function, like right after the image analyzer, not use this AI, and just fetch my ISBN using my own function. So I commented out the ISBN finder execute and the node there. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this tools AI. We'll just keep the images AI. I'm going to drop in my get ISBN function, which uses the Open Library API. And then down here, let's see, just cleaning some of this up before we get to writing code. We'll get rid of that. So that's just using the images API. So right here after our execute, in the next step, we basically have the results from the image analyzer, which are going to be this title and author. And we were using the ISBN finder to go get the ISBN. So here, in order to run our own function, instead of node or execute or returns, we're going to drop in map. And map is for taking in the state and returning a new state anywhere you would like. And in our case, we're going to be doing an async function. It's also good for making API calls or whatever you might need to do. So I'm going to say this is going to be an async function, takes in the state, and it's going to return an object with the state. And then we need to get our ISBN. So here I'm going to call my get ISBN function. And into that, I can just pass the results from image analyzer, since I already know that that is going to match what my function is expecting, which is the object with title and author string. So now what I've done is I've just stuck an ISBN onto the state. So here where I had state ISBN finder result, I can just drop that. And I think that's all I need to do. So we're going to go ahead and run this. So it took about, well, just shy of 11 and a half seconds. I'm going to run it one more time because I have seen once you get it going a bit, things can improve. So there you go, 6 seconds. That's more what I was expecting. So there you have it. We were able to take an existing flow and kind of mingle in our own code. And again, I mean, this is calling the Open API or Open Library API, so it is in fact an API call. But this could have very well been, fetch a record from our own API or anything else, and we can just inject that in there and then allow the flow to continue on.